Welcome back to Crypto Corner, your ultimate destination for everything crypto. Today we're diving into a game-changing innovation that is set to revolutionize the real estate market as we know it. Imagine owning a piece of prime real estate for just $50, all powered by the cutting-edge technology of blockchain. Intrigued? You should be. In a world where transparency, accessibility, and efficiency are paramount, one platform is breaking barriers and making real estate investment accessible to everyone. This is Lufina. I will uncover how Lufina is disrupting the real estate industry through tokenization, offering us the chance to own fractional shares of high-value properties, and even gamifying the experience with their exciting ClickCity game. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be at the forefront of a $10 trillion revolution. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and let's explore how you can be part of this groundbreaking journey. The future of real estate is here and it's powered by blockchain. Let's get started. Hey everyone, you're watching Crypto Radar, the video podcast where we break down complex blockchain tech and do deep dives into up-and-coming new projects in the crypto space. My name is OJ, crypto analyst and investor for the past 8 years. And today I'm placing on your Crypto Radar a startup that is disrupting the real estate arena. A bold move in a $1 trillion industry that surely can make a big splash in the ocean. We're talking an industry expected to grow to $10 trillion by 2030. And Lufina is at the forefront of significant transformation in the real estate investment landscape. By leveraging the power of blockchain technology, they introduce a platform that makes real estate investment accessible, transparent, and highly liquid for everyone. It's an innovative approach that is nothing short of genius. We've seen it already done in the art world, where through the use of non-fungible tokens, people are able to part-own an art piece. You get communities of like-minded people come together and invest in fractions of an art piece. It's called fractionalized ownership, and I'm really not surprised that it's being applied to real estate, because as a concept, as it is, it's nothing new. What makes it novel is that it's done via blockchain, which in its nature is transparent and does not rely on third parties to verify. This is a real game changer. Lufina offers a suite of solutions designed to cater to various aspects of real estate investment. First, Lufina Marketplace. This is a groundbreaking platform that allows investors to participate in real estate investments through fractionalized ownership. Properties are divided into property token NFTs, each starting at $50, representing a share of the property's value and rental income. This approach democratizes real estate investment, removing high entry costs and increasing liquidity for smoother transactions. The value of these NFTs reflects the property's long-term worth, providing investors with a tangible connection to the underlying asset. Second, Lufina Lend. This is an innovative feature that allows users to take loans using their property NFTs as collateral. This function not only enhances the utility of the NFTs, but also underscores their value, equating them to the actual real-world assets they represent. This capability is a testament to the robustness of Lufina's tokenization model, providing additional financial flexibility to investors. And three, the Fina token. This is the cornerstone of Lufina's ecosystem. It enhances the platform by providing investors with various incentives, such as staking options and rewards for participation. The token is integral to the platform's operations, facilitating transactions and ensuring seamless interactions within the ecosystem. The token's utility is further demonstrated in Lufina's gamified approach to real estate investment through ClickCity. Lufina's tokenization process is meticulously designed to ensure transparency and efficiency at every stage. The process involves several key steps. For instance, property submission. The potential properties are submitted for consideration. This step includes a thorough evaluation of the property's location, the value, and market appeal. Then, tokenization. Once a property is approved, it is tokenized into property token NFTs. Each token represents a fractional share of the property's value and rental income. Then you have partnership. Lufina partners with property owners and developers to manage the tokenized assets. This collaboration ensures that the properties are professionally managed and maintained. And of course, management. The management of tokenized properties is governed by smart contracts, which automates transactions and ensures transparency. Token holders have voting rights on key management decisions, further enhancing the platform's democratic nature. And speaking of gaming, ClickCity is an innovative tap-to-earn game that combines gaming with real estate investment. In celebration of Fina's initial exchange listing on platforms like Bitmart, CoinStore and PancakeSwap, ClickCity offers players the chance to win, check this out, $1 million and more. The game involves clicking the screen to lay digital bricks and completing tasks, with the first place prize guaranteed to be over $125,000. Here are some of the key features of ClickCity. It is built on the Aptos blockchain, ensuring that there is transparency and security for all users. The game generates a wallet for each player, stored in their browser, accessible only by them. To participate, you need to fund your wallet with APT, the Aptos token, to cover the gas fees. This requirement ensures that all transactions within the game are secure and verifiable. The total prize pool increases as more players join and more bricks are being laid. Prizes are awarded to the top 1,500 players, with a substantial rewards for top performance. ClickCity introduces a unique gameplay mechanics where you just tap your screen to collect bricks, the in-game currency. You then use these bricks to build digital structures, also to complete tasks that help you earn Fina tokens. At the end of the season, the top 1,500 players will share the grand prize, which is $1 million, and it's separated into several prizes, but it's going to be shared by 1,500 of the top players. And because not that many people know about this game, you have a very high chance right now to be in the top rankings. This is a huge prize, guys. I hope you're paying attention. I highly recommend everyone to try ClickCity. The game is brand new, giving you the opportunity to be among the first to achieve great results and share in a substantial prize pool. ClickCity introduces a unique gameplay mechanic where you just tap your screen to collect these bricks. The game adopts a freemium model, allowing us to start playing without any initial investment, and this is what I'm doing here. It's just clicks for bricks. You get bricks with every click. This is why I'm saying that. This approach removes entry barriers and ensures fair gameplay mechanics that reward activity commitment and careful planning. It's a model designed to attract a diverse range of players, from casual gamers to serious investors. And for us, crypto users, ClickCity is appealing even more since it's built on the Aptos blockchain, ensuring transparency and security for all of us. The game generates a wallet for each player, stored on your own browser. As I already said, it's accessible only by you. To participate, you need to fund your wallet with Aptos tokens to cover the gas fees. And your wallet will generate a secret seed phrase that you will have to copy and store safely for future use. Aptos tokens are available at every bigger exchange and many of the smaller ones too, so that's easy. I also got free tokens to play by simply following their Instagram and Twitter accounts. You get 1,000 bricks for each of these follows, so it's the first thing that you want to do. And then you're ready to start clicking. It's called ClickCity for a reason. All you do is click as fast as you can. I like this because the game's unique combination of real estate investment and gaming provides a novel way for players to learn about tokenization and its benefits while enjoying a fun and interactive platform. And the goal is to collect Fina tokens, as I said. This is the native token of the Lufina ecosystem. It provides various utilities that enhance the overall user experience. You can, of course, trade the token or hold it for benefits like governance. The token holders can participate in the decentralized autonomous organization, which is governing the Lufina platform. This democratic approach allows us, the token holders, to influence the platform's future direction and development, ensuring that the community's voice is heard. Users can pay for transaction fees as well on the Lufina platform using the Fina tokens, providing a seamless and efficient way to manage costs associated with real estate transactions and other activities within the ecosystem. And the Fina token holders can benefit from reduced interest rates on loans serviced within the Fina token. This feature provides a significant financial incentive for users to utilize the Lufina tokens in their real estate investments and transactions. And holding the Lufina tokens grants us exclusive access to high-yield real estate projects, offering opportunities for enhanced returns on investment. This premium access is designed to attract sophisticated investors seeking lucrative investment opportunities. And on top of that, you get a daily reward, so doing this on a daily basis will pay out better. And if that's not enough, there is also a daily quiz that you can take and earn extra bricks also on a daily basis, so plenty of ways to earn with this. Lufina's launch of ClickCity marks a significant milestone in the integration of gaming and real estate investment. By leveraging the power of tokenization and blockchain technology, Lufina is creating a dynamic ecosystem that appeals to a broad audience. The game's rewarding mechanics, coupled with the utility of Lufina tokens, ensure that players are not only entertained but also financially incentivized to participate. As ClickCity continues to evolve, it's poised to attract more players and investors, further solidifying Lufina's position as a leader in the real estate tokenization space. The innovative approach of combining gaming with investment opportunities highlights the potential for blockchain technology to transform and disrupt traditional industries and create new avenues for growth and engagement. And this is why I place Lufina on your crypto radar today. And I hope you're paying attention, as it's one of the few projects that I see a lot of potential in for this cycle. As usual, relevant links are in the description below. Make sure you check them out. You can also join my free crypto newsletter. The first Monday of each month, I send out my crypto analysis and forecasts. Stuff that doesn't really make it into my videos, so it's worth getting on that list. It's a free newsletter. You can scan this QR code or grab the link from the description below. With that, it's time for me to go. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and enable notifications so you never miss an episode. That's all from me. I'm gonna see you in the next one.
Subscribe to my channel.
チャンネル登録お願いします。
Subscribe.